Hello everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common problem with the Siemens iQ300 WT45H208IT dryer. It's not drying clothes properly. It's frustrating when your clothes are still damp after a full cycle. Don't worry, we'll go through some simple troubleshooting steps to get your dryer working again. First, let's check the basics. Is the dryer properly plugged in? Sounds obvious, but it's worth verifying. Next, check your circuit breaker. A tripped breaker can cut power to the dryer, even if the lights inside work. Reset it if needed. Now, let's move on to the lint filter. A clogged lint filter is the most common cause of drying issues. Clean it thoroughly before each use. Don't just wipe it, remove all lint buildup. A clogged filter restricts airflow, leading to longer drying times in damp clothes. If the lint filter is clean, the next step is to inspect the venting system. The vent carries hot, moist air from the dryer to the outside. If it's blocked, the dryer can't effectively remove moisture from your clothes. Disconnect the vent from the back of the dryer. Check for any obstructions like lint buildup, bird's nests, or crushed sections. A long, winding vent can also reduce airflow. Try to shorten or straighten the vent if possible. You can use a vacuum cleaner with a hose attachment to remove lint from the vent. Be careful not to damage the vent material. If the vent is clean, the next thing to check is the dryer's heating element. This is a more complex repair. If you're comfortable working with electrical appliances, you can test the heating element with a multimeter. However, if you're unsure, it's best to call a qualified appliance repair technician. A faulty heating element won't generate heat, resulting in clothes that are still wet after the cycle. The thermostat is another potential issue. The thermostat regulates the temperature inside the dryer drum. If it's malfunctioning, it might not be allowing the heating element to reach the correct temperature. This would result in longer drying times or clothes that are not completely dry. Just like with the heating element, if you're not comfortable diagnosing or replacing the thermostat, seek professional help. Another often overlooked aspect is overloading the dryer. If you cram too many clothes into the dryer, it restricts airflow and prevents proper drying. Try reducing the load size to see if it improves drying performance. Consult your dryer's manual for the recommended load size. Finally, ensure you are selecting the appropriate drying cycle for your load. Delicate items require a lower heat setting, while heavy items like towels need a higher heat setting. Using the wrong cycle can lead to underdrying or even damaging your clothes. Make sure the selected cycle is appropriate for the types of fabrics you are drying. Thank you for watching. I hope these tips helped you fix your Siemens iQ300 dryer. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Consider leaving a comment with your dryer problems or solutions. Any support is greatly appreciated.